Howdy everybody, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fletch. Guess what guys, it snowed. So we're making snowball cookies. I hope y'all enjoy. Well guys, I'm not in my usual chef jacket and hat. I'm in my nice sweater and Santa Claus hat. You might be wondering why. Well, if you look out the window, you might not be able to see much of it anymore. It has been snowing pretty much all day long. It's the first snow of this season. So we decided we're gonna make snowball cookies. So let's get started guys. So first of all, we've got our melted butter. Go ahead and add some powdered sugar to that. And some vanilla extract. Now you can use an electric whisk if you want. I'm just gonna whisk it by hand till it's nice and fluffy. Might take a little bit longer whisking by hand than using an electric mixer, but it's all good. Just whisk this till it's nice and fluffy. Break up that powdered sugar. Now most snowball cookies recipes might have nuts in them or whatever, but we're gonna do chocolate chips in ours today. So let me just get this whisked up. And it's pretty well incorporated. So now we're just going to add it to our flour mixture. That out the way. And we're going to add a little bit of kosher salt to it. And just get that whisked up.
Hey, honey.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of cookies are you making today?
We're making snowball cookies. My wife's having too much fun with the fact that it's snowing. So we'll just get this whisked up until it's nice and fluffy and well incorporated. I'm actually going to get in there with my hands and get it kneaded some. Get it all worked together, guys. That's why an electric mixer might have been better, but sometimes you just want to have fun and get in there with your hands too. Getting nice and crumbly. Looking good. Now we'll just fold in our chocolate chips. Still seems a little crumbly to me. I might have to add a little bit more butter to it. Well guys, I got some more butter. My wife found me some more decorations to wear for this video. So we'll get the rest of this butter added in and we'll see if we can get this formed up a little better.
Hey, chef.
Yes, my love?
Why is it called snowballs?
Because it's going to be rolled in powdered sugar, so it's going to look like little snowballs once it's done. She's still having fun with the paper snowballs. At least it didn't land in our dough. Alright, that's still a little loose, but we're going to just go with it. Snowballs tend to be a little loose anyways. So we'll just form these into balls with our hands. Get them set on our cookie sheet. Now I've got the oven preheated to 375 degrees, guys. Once we get these all laid out, they're going to go in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then we'll let them cool a little bit. And like I said, we're going to roll them in powdered sugar so they look like snowballs at the end. So, my wife loves to decorate for Christmas, and apparently she's decided to decorate me. Anyways, I've got my arsenal of snowballs ready. I'd planned on using a scoop, but I got into it and I thought, we're making snowballs. You got to make those with your hands. So I got my arsenal of snowballs. I'm going to get them in the oven, 7 to 10 minutes, guys. Alright guys, they've been out of the oven for a few minutes. I went ahead and put them on a cooling rack so they could cool down. This is about what you want them to look like on the bottom. Just want a light brown toast on them. As you can see, my snowballs, this is my first row. They started out small. But you know, when you're making snowballs, you want to make them big. So obviously towards the end, I got a little bit bigger on the snowballs. So what we're going to do with the snowballs is going to roll them in our powdered sugar. They're still a little warm, so if you want, after you've rolled them in powdered sugar, let them cool completely, and then you can roll them again. Make sure you get plenty of white on those snowballs.
Snowballs!
There she goes again with the paper snowballs. She's having way too much fun. So I'm going to get the rest of these rolled into powdered sugar. I might let them cool off completely and then I'll re-roll them, just depending on how I want them to look. And then we'll be in there taste test them in a few minutes, guys. Man, guys, these snowball cookies sure look good. You know, once we get outside, you might have a real snowball coming at you. So let's go ahead and taste these, guys. Well, if I'm coke on powdered sugar, man, those are good, guys. Nice and soft. Pretty much fall apart in your mouth just like a snowball would when it gets warmed up. Go ahead and throw the last one. Those are so good, guys. Try not to choke on the powdered sugar like I did. Yeah, try not to choke on the powdered sugar. Pretty good, huh? Now remember, guys, cooking should be fun. Decorating your husband as a Christmas tree was definitely fun for my wife. And all the snowballs she threw at me. She had a lot of fun with this. So guys, like I said, cooking should be fun. So have fun with it. We'll see y'all next time. Guys, I definitely had fun making those. It was nice to see snow out on the ground too. It was a real inspiration to these snowball cookies. If you like this recipe, make sure you hit that like button, share with all your friends, shoot me a comment, and if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. See y'all later.